Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie. So please don't forget please don't forget to like. Man, it's freezing. Today's Saturday and we just missed the bus. We're going to the mall. It's Kimani. That's my son. It's cold out here. It's like 37 or 35 degrees out here. What's the bus we going? Yeah, it's the bus we need. Come. Put your mask on. Put your mask on. Oh my god. Where?
He bring in my groceries in just one trip. It's cuffing season and all the girls be needing. Need a big boy, I want a big boy. Give me a big boy.
He jumped like that. Oh, quick little ride. So we're going to the bank first. Then I'm gonna go to Aldi's, because I ain't go to Aldi's in a long time. Oh, Gateway Mall. We got two sides. It's actually a big mall, so. Oh, they got a Five Guys over here. Red Crowd. Juicy Seafood and Bar. Ooh. I gotta come here one day. Hopefully it's good. Money. Hi.
Hi, babe.
We took a nap. Got inside and then he was watching a movie and then he fell asleep. So I took a nap too. I'm like, let me take a nap. Because honestly, I was really tired. I woke up early. I'm like, let me take a nap. And then I woke up at 4 o'clock. So it's like 5 o'clock right now. I gave him something to eat. And I'm like, yeah, let me go. Let's go before it gets dark. The sun sets at 5:42, and I was trying to, do this. This is where we at. Nordstrom. I should go in Nordstrom. Buffalo Wild Wings. I ain't gone to Buffalo Wild Wings in a long time. Gotta go to the bank though. Come on.
So, now with the bank, now we're about to go to Aldi real quick and do a little shopping.
Go Shoprite real quick for a little bit. Get that cart. Cart, get it. Go ahead, go. Look at a little basket. I don't even need that cart. It's so weird. Big in here. I don't think I ever came in here before. Oh, look at the salmon. Here. I saw this at the market for $1. No, it wasn't $1. It was $3.99. I got it for $2.99. That's not bad. Let me get the watermelon. this slice. Look at this piece. $4.38. Actually not bad. Oh, this one is how much? $5.18. She got this right here for $2 something. I'm gonna go with this one. I need a bag. Push your car down. Put the car down. A watermelon. So they got celery. $1.99 for celery. So I'm gonna get it. Why not? Oh, big one. What is heavy? I'm gonna get two. Got banana on sale for, oh, they got organic one. 79 cents. But the banana is too sugary. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna pass on the bananas. Each plantain for $1.99. Really? Spinach wraps. $3.49. I do need these.
I got the Seagrams for $1.25. Bahama Mama. I think I'm gonna take 2 of these. And Jamaican me crazy. This is the best one. But for some reason, I like this one too. The Bahama Mama. The strawberry daiquiri is okay. Bahama Mama. Orange and pineapple flavors. I'm gonna get 2.
I think I'm gonna go in Aldi and I mean Shoprite. I'm about to come back for the Aldi a different day. What's this? Ooh. Chardonnay. Coconut pineapple. For $8. I just like the bottle. They got different flavors. The sangria, strawberry, rose moscato. I got this one up here. I see this one. This one is good. This one is big enough. La Lolio. It's $9. This is worth the $9. I think I'm gonna get this. I feel like I want to get this one. Try this one. I feel like I haven't had wine in a while. So Zenful. This one is $5.
Oh, that's fine. I didn't know they had these. For $1. I don't know if I'm gonna buy this though. I mean, just a couple, I'm gonna need this, right? Strawberry Rita. 8% alcohol in this. You have to get these instead of the other one though, right? The Seagrams. Not much of a difference. It's 25% more. The Seagrams is good. I just don't know what it comes.
Junior stuff. Yeah, strawberry cheesecake. This one's a swirly one. Strawberry swirl. This one is the original cheesecake. Here it is. How much is it? $15. Alright, let's go get some eggs. These look so good. But I can't eat this mess. Oh, this is oatmeal. $4.49. Oh my, I love oatmeal. I use some milk, but what's this? Damn, this look good. Lemon, snail, Danish. Oh gosh, look on this. It smells so freaking good. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I need to get away from here. Got a pound. I used to eat this a lot. These are those in the corner. Oh, this one is open. The corner. Somebody open this. Somebody open. Y'all see this? I got fish over there. Christmas cake. Let me see. Oh, look at the small junior's cake. $3.50 for this little cake. Let me see. Let me get a slice. I'm gonna regret this, but oh shit, that's almost full. Oh, this is their cake. It's not even junior stuff. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You got the pie cake. You got this one. Is it red velvet? Honey, go get the cart. Go get the cart. Yeah, it's red velvet. It's so good. It's so small. Look at the price. Tiny Purdue chicken. Oh, it's ends. Cornish. Oh, Cornish ends. That's what it is. This one is price one is $10. Not a bad price. Coconut milk right here. I don't need that. I have like Twitter already. Ooh, chicken wings. Ooh. Hold on. $5.99. Is this worth it? Make some. I gotta come back here. I have chicken already. I don't need them. Oh, this $5.99 is full. Look at that. All that. Grace jerk seasoning. How much is this one? This one is the big one. That's a lot. What? 5 pieces for $18.95. All these are still okay for $20-something. The price I see. Anyways, yeah. That kidney. I'm gonna eat this now. I'm about to get this. Look at the butter. Some dumpling and banana. Yeah.
We got the mixed berries. The fruit stuff. I need to get a card. I don't have a card. I'm gonna get one from them. Cause I don't come here and shop often. Apple berries. Mango. Nice. I need a card. Big one down here.
Oh, the sliced banana. That looks good. That sliced avocado. I like that. $3.99. Which one is this one though? EF. Bowl and bath. It's not it. Yeah. I think it's this one. For that's the price? $3.99. Is that the right one I'm looking at? Large DZ eggs. Try this one. Hopefully it's the right one. Still wanna try, still believe me. Pineapple, tamarind, mango, soursop. Vitamin C. Bowl of cake. 79. Then I got coconut drops. Yeah. I have fruit cake, grita cake, bowl of cake, cocoa bread. This is not having. There you go. Oh, that cake. Bun. This bun is soft. Smell it. Smell it. It's very soft. I like that. And I like rock hard bun. This bun's soft and nice. I'm gonna buy one of them here though. I feel like I wanna buy one of these. How much treats? $2.09. $2. Do I need it? Listen, I don't know why I never come down here to shop. I always go to the same place to shop, and I never come down here. Coconut bowl of cake. Bowl of cake. And our cocoa bread. Oh, soft and nice. Soft. Alright. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I'm about to take this. I'm about to take this egg. Hold on. $5.99. I was just checking it just to make sure. That's what I'm looking at. Got the egg rolls and got the dumplings. Toss stickers, they call it. Got the wontons. Why do I have this in here? For $4.69 and Dollar Tree got it for $1.25. They be bugging. I don't get it. I really don't. Oh, I'm looking at the water. This is their brand. Bowl and basket. But I don't have to take a cab home. Yeah. I don't take a taxi home. I need water though. I don't have no water. I need to get 2 cases of this. If I get 2 cases of this, I'm good. Let me see if they have another one. Thank you, man, over there. I'm watching him. Poland Spring is $8.29. You are just annoying. I'm gonna try this one. You're gonna try this one. I touched my egg now. I'm gonna take a lift home. I really want some water. I got no water. What's wrong? Now you want to make them up for the battery die? You don't care. Thinking you're gonna get my phone. No, you're not getting my phone. And I put my shopping bag. I'll walk my bag out. Here. Put in your pocket. Okay, so I'm gonna walk there. I'm gonna get some water. Yeah. I want some water. Okay. You popped it, pop. Yeah. Put it in your pocket. Why are you using it? You like here. just should get another water. Because I really need water. It's only $3. I think I'm gonna get another one. I really need water badly. I think this should be it. I got a small bag. I don't want to buy this big ass bag. I think I saw this in a corner store. I think I did. They got guacamole, Tostitos now. This is new to me. I don't really care for Tostitos anyway, to be honest. This is what I love. Oh, this I'm addicted. I think I'm addicted to this. Well, not addicted, but I love this. I had this. Was it yesterday? Yep, yesterday. But why is this $5? I'm gonna go to the corner store and get it for $2 something. Why is this $5? But that one tastes better than the regular one to me. Tastes better than the regular one. Tastes better than the hot Cheetos. Yeah. And some cheesies and Zoomers and banana chips. I mean, yeah, plantain chips. Banana chips. I tried this before. I don't like that. Cassava chips. How much the cheesies? I don't even see the price of this. Oh, 3 for $2.37. This is basically like the hot Cheetos. Tastes way better. Tastes way better. Oh, this one up here has a $2 something. Oh, it's mostly here. Like, I'm just gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. Or should I just get 2? I'm gonna get one. Cauliflower cheddar puffs. Not bad. Mind the vegetable
Jamaican soda. Can't have none of that shit. I mean, I can. I just choose not to. That's what I mean when I say I can't have it. Because I choose not to drink it. But honestly, I choose not to drink this stuff. Because this is my favorite one though. Their cream soda. And they got the ginger. They don't have pineapple ginger.
Cookies. Oh, budget. I want to say cookies. This is just yeah. She wanted to say, what my cookies at? I said, did you just say that? You said, yeah. Oh, no. This little boy said, where my cookies at? We were just by the cookies. You don't pick up anything. So I'm confused how you trying to move me. Alright, we're going to get this one. I think I need an Aki. $10. No, not doing it. I'm gonna go out to the market and see if I get it for cheaper. I'm gonna get a callaloo though. No, I'm not gonna do that either. I'm gonna go to the market and see if I get it for cheaper. Which I know I'm gonna get it for cheaper. I have bulgur already, but I need a bigger one. I need a big one to this. I need to keep my bulgur on check. So what's up? Hot sauce. Hallelujah. Okay. Jerk seasoning, mackerel. I don't need none of that stuff. I might need another chicken seasoning though. Go ahead, Papa. Callaloo, $2.49. Irish moss peanut drink. This has got some of them sugar in it for them. What a brown in that? I'm not on brown in. I don't see the brown in. This is $1.79. Chili sauce. Do I need chili sauce? I want chili sauce. You know what? I'm gonna get it in case I get some wings. You never know. You got ketchup with a blend of veggies. What? I did not know that.
Yeah, I wish you forgive me for living like this. Wish you forgive me for living like this. Yeah, I wish. Reach for the stars if you miss me, catch you cloud. Mommy said the money no matter, you make me proud. Yeah, me have the Glock chip, my badness loud. I got something no matter, you know me jump stick loud. Stay true to myself. Now watch this crowd, now freak out myself. You gon' lock this glove.
You know they had their own cereal. I gotta come here often. I don't even live that far. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm gonna come here often. Oh, oatmeal. I need oatmeal. So the oatmeal I have, I don't really like it. Here go their brand. Quick oats. This is what I want. How much is it? $4.79. Shit, how much is that at Walmart? I'm gonna get this one. $4.79. I don't like the old-fashioned one. The old-fashioned one is one I have right now. This is the one I need. Yeah, that's the one I need. I've been shopping in here for a while. Yeah, so it's only 81 cents more here. Not bad. I don't really need it right now, but I'm gonna get it because I still have oats. But I don't know when I'm gonna come back here, so might as well. Let's get it and call it a day. Alright, let's go. Look at this cereal down there. I don't need a cereal. What's the one you want?
Chips, oil.
They got their own cookies. I'm looking at the oatmeal one, but I think it's a $3.89. This. Yeah. You want the chips ahoy? It's new.
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my lid. I'm turning one, trying to live it up, get it